Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you Rayhong Car Scratcher Remover Wax review. So if you've been looking for a quick, budget-friendly way to clean up minor scuffs on your vehicle, now you might have run across the Rayhong Car Scratch Remover Wax. Now, let's walk through exactly what this paint repair formula is and what feature it offers, which is just according to their website. Now, what is Rayhong Car Scratch Remover here, or the remover wax? Well, Rayhong Car Scratch Remover Wax is a specialized automotive detailing compound designed to address minor shallow paint imperfections. Now, rather than just acting as a permanent body shop repaint, it is formulated as a user-friendly, over-the-counter rubbing paste. Now, it targets fine abrasions like fingernail scratches around door handles, light scuffs from tree branches, and swirl marks here left behind from automated car washes. Now, it is designed to be universally compatible with all standard glossy car paint, finish, and colors. So, what does the formula here actually offer? So, the according to the official product specifications, Rayong kit here comes with several key detailing features. First is abrasive repair base. The base uses a mild abrasive and surface blend designed to gently level the surfacing or surrounding area, clear coat, and this safely blends away the sharp edges of light scratches to make them very visually disappear. Now you also have deep paint decontamination. Now beyond hiding scuffs, the formula doubles as a deep cleaner that removes oxidized paint, stubborn water spots, and road grime, and light rust stains from the vehicle surface. And they also have a protective wax finish. Now it contains natural carnauba wax and beeswax here as you buff the product into the paint. Now it leaves behind a smooth hydrophobic protective layer that fills micropores and enhances the paint's natural gloss and shine. And they do have an all-in-one kit here. Now it is packaged with as a complete DIY set. So typically includes a tube of the scratch repair paste available in 60 grams or 100 grams or 120 ml sizes, a dedicated applicator sponge, and a microfiber polishing cloth. Now, how do you exactly use this or the repair kit? So the manufacturer has made the application process incredibly simple for beginners. So to start, roughly wash and dry the target area to ensure the paint is free of dust, dirt, and loose grit that could cause further scratching. Now, once dry, squeeze a small coin-sized amount of wax directly onto the applicator sponge. Rub the sponge over the scratch in firm, steady back and forth circular motion for a minute or two, letting the micro abrasive smooth down the blemish. Now, once the scratch has faded, use your clean microfiber towel to buff away any remaining cloudy residue, revealing a glossy, restored paint surface. Now, if the scratch is slightly deeper, you can safely repeat the process a second time to build up the finish. Now, for the pricing here and package options, so you can find the Rayhong Scratch Remover Wax across various global online storefronts. Now, a single tube starter kit typically price is budget friendly option is between around 18. So if I'm not mistaken, a lot more. You can buy like one for like $4 to $10, depending on where you're buying it. But in some cases, you may be able to buy it like for 18.99 or $19, which in this case you can get that for that price. Now they do have multi-pack bundles as well, which enables you to save up if you are planning on buying more than one product. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully like and subscribe button and watch our next video.